guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. As you can see, Vybz Kartel out and about. He was at Dolly Sundays at Mecca Club last night. It looks like after he left the PNP conference, he went to Rising Star. I'll show you that clip as well. And then we see him at Club Mecca. He even took a picture with the Dolly them pretty, and you know, it looked like he might enjoy himself. I have so much more clips to show you. You might learn for drift, people. Stay tuned for that. But anyways, if this is your first time on my channel, subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. I'd really appreciate if you leave a like on this video, leave a comment and share. Stay tuned. Yeah, man, I'm the teacher that out and about and enjoying stuff. I didn't come in just been remember, I know somebody asked about him there everywhere. Yes, if you spend 13 years in a box and you can't give it outside, when you come out, you go have a list of things you want to do and where you want to go. So yes, the man enjoy him life. You know, him probably last time he going to one club probably in 2013, 2012, 2011, somewhere there. So yes, I enjoy him look himself. But yeah, man, it looked like when he left Rising Star and find himself at Mecca. Speaking of Rising Star, he was actually a guest judge on the show. So here's a clip of it. Take a look.
Well, may I tell you trick me, because you say you just look petite and neat with a big giant voice there. Yeah. You see, once you learn to manage it, trust me, babes, them can't hold you. Big up yourself. I was pleased by the performance, but as well G say, you're slightly off key at some areas. And in the performance, you know, when you pitch the high note them, you kind of ease off for the mic little. Because you know, yeah. So it's a technique, and you have to learn the technique. And the G, remember I learned that, you know. So yeah, so she know. But trust me, you have to go places. You have to respect.
Yeah, man, love to see it. So, you know, him being at Rising Star surprised me, honestly. And he also gave away 2 free VIP tickets last night for his show in December. So 2 girls had to DJ. Take a look at this.
Freedom Concerts, New Year's Eve. May I give her 2 VIP tickets? Just for 2 girls.
My boss, this lady right here is going to represent for the 2 tickets. She has one black cartel panel. Ready now, man?
Yeah, man, we love to see it. So all the people them who stuck up and involved in their fans, this is how Kartel we know over the people them by being involved both online and in person. I big up the Dolly them too, see it? No, last night we see Kartel make a post with a short girl. Look like she either working on Mecca or she has some, you know, she associated with the club. or something like that. I'm not sure. But him post and say, I don't like shot man in a KMT. So you know everybody knows I shade that towards his ex. Somebody even posted in a comment say, one thing with shot woman, you're not gonna see them. So like that was just diabolical. But Kartel I didn't look playful self. Can't manage my backside. Gimmicks God. Last night, Alkaline also dropped his new single, Take a Gyal. You know, finally, dancehall is back with people start drop them song. And yeah, it don't sound too bad, so take a listen.
Take a girl, man, your little section slippery. Sit down on the jar when you're done with the pocket, them you go spend up, run, one with yourself. That
was just a snippet. I don't know for YouTube copyright purposes. I can't play the entire thing, but you can head on over to Alkaline's Vivo channel or YouTube and listen to the song Take a Gyal. Tell me what you guys think of the song in the comment section. So I saw this video of Nicki Minaj helping out a TikToker, Landale, or some name. Yeah, say him need asylum, need to file for asylum to go to America. Nicki Minaj came on his live and tried to see how best she can assist him. And one thing, she always, big up Jamaica, always look up for Jamaicans. I remember the time she gifted Britney and she gifted back with her mad self. But big up Nicki Minaj. Anyways, guys, before I showed you the clip, if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my latest updates. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe, but also like the video, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and check this out.
Big up yourself, Miss Nikki. Love you to the world. I never could have sing my little piece. I want to just sing them for one of my favorite song them.
You don't know, ain't nobody about to sing nothing. Listen, sir, little boy Landale, listen to me. Cause I know you full of it and with a lot of stuff, and I know you love the internet shenanigans, child. Okay, but if a person is threatening to burn down your house, that means your mother's life is in danger, and that's not funny to me. So take these things seriously, and also write down your plan. Tomorrow, if you don't have a written down plan in your own handwriting penmanship, which I will test myself, if you don't have a written down plan, then I'll know y'all tech people for idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm from the hood. I'm not some rich lady that just, popped up on TikTok. Okay, Landia. All right.
Yes, Miss Nikki.
So let's be smart and write down your plan. Write down your plan tonight. And if you try to speed past it or try to play past it, I am not going to speak to you ever again. Okay? Yeah, I fish in a pen. So, but listen, Landia, I really like you and I want the best for you. So do me a favor. Take some time tonight before you go to sleep and write down a real plan. If you do not have a plan that makes sense, I will not speak back to you, okay?
Yes, Miss Nikki, the plan will make more than sense. I'm going to write it perfectly.
Thank you, Landale. Good boy. Goodie. You done know. All right. I like you. I like you a lot. Have a good day. Take care of yourself. I got chat tomorrow. Bye.
Big up yourself, Nicki Minaj. I always look out for Jamaican TikTokers, and we appreciate that. Jamaica overall, it always come true. So big up the queen of hip hop. Yeah, man. She not left without at all. Yeah, one Barbs. Hope the little youth get through with the asylum case, guys. If somebody is threatening for burn down, it's a serious thing for true. Big up Nicki Minaj for that. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If this is your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the latest updates. I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.